to connect with the truck again. What a time. Anyway, so I didn't want the rust from here to go back on the truck. Jesus Christ! What is going on, guys? This is your boy Louis, aka Montero, and I'm here visiting one of my best, actually my favorite truck in the whole wide world, the Montero Sport. Oh yeah, look at her. She looks so beautiful. God, I love that truck. Okay, so just as I said, the car started right up. I didn't do a cold start because I am in my, this engine right there. I'm just gonna go over the truck, see if it needs something. I'm gonna take away like all the leaves and stuff like that, and just clean the engine a little bit, clean the ports. Update, I took off the fender just over there, and this is what we have to deal with. See that rust? I didn't want that to go further and ruin the body, so you see like this. I have to take care of that, and some stuff here behind the light. See that? I need to take care of that. I have it all with paint with Rust-Oleum. I know this is not a permanent fix. This is just like a hold it fix, you know what I'm saying? So it could hold the rust down. And as long as I don't run it in the street and the rocks don't chip that paint, it's gonna stay like that, so that's good. I scrubbed it real nice. And this is just, I saw like a little bit of rust I developed in there. I didn't really need to spray that, but just in case. So we come to the front here. This is where all the damage was. There was a lot of rust around here and stuff, so I just scraped it real good, sprayed it with I think it was 2 coats of Rust-Oleum. I wanted to remove that and clean all of that in the back, but I don't have the time because we are in winter and it's gonna be dark soon, so I just did what I could in the time that I have now. So okay, so this is the fender. You can see this is what I fixed, but the rust came back because of the rock chips. I didn't have the inner liner on the car, so yeah, it's back to being protected, but I noticed that the rust was coming back because of that, so I might just buy a new one so I don't have to deal with this. I sprayed it, and I sprayed some of the bolts too. I sprayed it again because I don't want this rust from the fender, Jesus, to connect with the truck again. What a time. Anyway, so I didn't want the rust from here to go back on the truck. Jesus Christ! So I was saying, I rudely interrupted. I sprayed it again, even though that I think I might just buy a new one, because I don't want the rust that was on the fender to make contact again with the frame over here. That's why I resprayed it. That was what I was trying to say, and I was rudely interrupted twice. Oh yeah, she's back in business, baby. Look at how beautiful she looks. Oh, can't wait till I have her back out. Man, look at that truck. Beautiful. Look at the back with the halos. So as you can see, I have to connect those rings right there. They are RGB. These are LEDs. So when I connect those, it's gonna look even hotter. And then I'm gonna have some halo fog lights. So these are obviously broken right there. So for those of you wondering, this entire truck is gonna be repainted when I take care of the entire frame correctly and fully, completely, inside and out. I'm gonna do the repaint on it with the same color, obviously. This satellite silver from 2003, and I'm going to restore her and do some awesome mods with her. My favorite truck, ladies and gentlemen, my favorite truck. So that's it for this video. I am thankful to my cousin Lillian, beautiful cousin Lillian, for letting me come up here and do my thing in her backyard. And yeah, so if you like this content, remember to give me a like and subscribe if you're new. Until next time, guys, peace.